Hi there, if you are new, my name is Eileen and welcome to the Hearts. Let's get started. For our first DIY, these are the materials that we will be using, and you can also check the description box below for all the materials that I used on this project. First, I traced the shadow box on the paper and I cut it into size. I also use Mod Podge to attach the paper on the shadow box. That's it guys for the DIY number 1. It's very easy. For our second DIY, this is very easy. I grabbed this placemat at Walmart. I will use the word gather. If you want, you can use the word family too. And I also have this 11 by 14 picture frame from Dollar Tree. I removed the back side of the picture frame and after that I sand it down to achieve a nice smooth finish and for the paint to stick to. After sanding it down, I grabbed the white chalk paint by Rust-Oleum. I gave the picture frame one incomplete coat and I want the color of the picture frame stick out like this. And after that, I also grabbed my elephant gray and black acrylic paint to distress it. I used dry brushing technique. I dab off the paint on the paper towel and then paint the frame. Placemat into size. The tail of the letter R is a bit wide or big, so it's a bit cut off, but it's not really a big deal. And then here, I put it back in the frame. I also used the back of the frame that we removed earlier. And I also have this love grows that I've got from Dollar Tree. I need the leaf, so I stick it on the placemat, and to blend it with the placemat, I grab my sandpaper to distress it, and then after sanding it down, tada, we have this beautiful gather. For our third DIY, we will be using this 4x6 picture frame from Dollar Tree, and then I sand it down. After sanding it down, I also painted this with the white chalk paint. I gave it one incomplete coat. And it looks like this. I also grab my foam board. I already cut it into size. I will put that at the back of the picture frame in. But before that, I will Mod Podge this buffalo check that we also used earlier. Then I put it back on the picture frame. Then let's set this aside. I will be working on the maple leaf. I grabbed my white chalk paint. I painted it. I gave it two coats. I painted four maple leaf. And then I also have this mixture, orange and black, and territorial beige, but honestly I did not I you don't need the territorial beige and the burnt amber. So here I just dry brush the orange and black mixture, and that's the territorial beige, but you can just use the mixture of orange and black. And this is the burnt amber. I really like how it turned out. It looks amazing. And I just realized I painted five maple leaf. And I have these stickers from Dollar Tree. I spelled the word fall, and after that I hot glue it on the frame. I will show you two options on how you will put this maple leaf on your frame. First, tie the twine on the picture frame and tie your maple leaf on the twine, and it looks like this. And this is the second option. Grab a beads from Dollar Tree and spray painted it with the Rust-Oleum copper, and after that just glue it on the picture frame and tie all the maple leaf, and you're done with the third DIY. Then, tada! We're done with the third DIY. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, give me a big thumbs up and let me know on the comment below what do you think of these projects. Yeah, and see you on my next DIY, guys. Bye bye. Take care.